Can you guys say welcome to Arvin and Megan Create?
Welcome to Jasper and Arvin Create.
What are we doing today? We're gonna eat food, right? What do you want to eat today?
Blueberries!
Blueberries?
Healthy.
I'll turn it around so you guys can see me, but we're going to do what we eat in a day. We're gonna head down for breakfast now. It's like, what time is it?
10 o'clock?
It's like 10 o'clock right now. So we're having some...
Blueberries!
I know. Jasper is excited for blueberries. We're gonna have some waffles this morning. And
Blueberries!
we already made some the other day. If you want the waffle recipe, I'll put it down below. But that's what we're doing first, so let's go down. Okay, what are we making?
Water!
Let's show them. Watch out. We've got waffles reheating in the oven.
Careful.
And what else do we like to put on our waffles?
Blueberries!
Blueberries. Where do we get those? Let's get some blueberries.
Chocolate!
You gotta get them out.
Got them out. Hey! The cats are already snacking. Oh my god, you left it out.
Yeah, I have to wash them both.
Hey! Here's
Well, the cats got a little extra breakfast this morning. It's their breakfast time too, isn't it? Yeah. We got some blueberries. We're gonna get some yogurt too. Yogurt for the waffles. Oh, it's up here. Isn't it? We like to use this yogurt. And syrup. Okay, bring these to the table. I'm over here making some tea now. I really like using this organic peppermint tea. And I just steep some water, so I'm going to bring some tea to the table. And I think Arvin's making some coffee.
No, I'll do it after I eat.
No, you're going to make coffee after. Arvin likes to have coffee, and then I like to have peppermint tea in the morning. I know, Jasper likes peppermint tea too. So maybe I'll make some for Jasper as well. Get another cup. Let me grab another cup for Jasper. There we go. We got another cup. One for each of us. We're sitting down to eat now, aren't we?
Yep.
We have a trash kitchen we gotta clean up after, but we're gonna worry about that after, aren't we, honey? I'm gonna show you what we put on our waffles. So, Canadian maple syrup, because we're Canadian.
I only got blueberries.
We've got chia seeds, hemp hearts, pumpkin seeds. I like to put these on mine.
Well, I like to put those on.
Yeah, I know. You don't. I don't think Arvin likes to. And then I heated up some frozen blueberries to throw that on. And then this is the star of the show, isn't it? We have coconut milk vegan yogurt. This stuff is so good. This is the natural, like, unsweetened one. And it's delicious, isn't it?
Give me that syrup.
Oh, you want some syrup? There's the syrup. And we're going to eat this now. I made a cute little heart-shaped waffle for aesthetic reasons. And Arvin's plate of waffles over there. So we're going to eat, and then we will see you at lunchtime for our delicious lunch. We'll have to figure out what we're going to make for lunch, eh, hun? I don't know what we're making for lunch yet. Okay, so we'll see you at lunch then. So we're getting lunch ready now. I put some lentil chickpea dal into the Instant Pot. So I just started that for 40 minutes. The recipe's actually on our website if you want to try it out. And I'm going to make, like a raisin chutney too. So I will do that next. And Arvin is over here making some sourdough naan. So we have one of these little things here called a sourdough starter, and we make a lot of different types of homemade bread. Sourdough naan is one of our favorite things to make with it. It's also on our website too if you want to look at it. But that's what we're doing, and I guess once this is done, we're gonna eat lunch together, and we'll show you what the finished product looks like. Hey, Kit Kat, what are you doing on my chair? Kit Kat?
I need her come.
Hi. I've got the lentil dal with the chutney in there. You can kind of, yeah, I know, Kit Kat's there. And then we've got the naan bread. We finally made that. Jasper already ate, didn't he?
No, I have this one on my nose.
Oh, okay. Jasper's, he couldn't wait for the naan, so he ate some curry already, but I guess he's having naan. And, oh, he didn't finish all of it, so he still had a little bit left. And I think Arvin's going to have curry and some naan as well, right?
These are Jasper's leftovers.
Jasper's leftovers. And
Typical.
how's the naan?
You're just joking.
Is it really that gross? So yeah, we're gonna eat some lunch now, but that is what lunch looks like today, and I guess we'll see you guys at dinner time, right? So after lunch, we decided that we were going to make some banana ice cream. I'll leave a link down below to the recipe on our website again. I'm really gonna leave recipes on all these recipes today. Yes, we can hear you, my love. How is it? Look at that face. He's trying to hide his excitement of how much he likes it. Oh my goodness. So yeah, we made, it's kind of like a vanilla ice cream, and then we just put chocolate chips on top.
I mixed the chocolate chips in here. You can't see them right now.
I know, there's chocolate chips, and it's just made with bananas and oat milk. So it's completely vegan, plant-based. It's our little treat that we like to make sometimes, is our own homemade ice cream, because a lot of the store-bought ice creams have a lot of added sugar, but this doesn't have any added sugar. This is just sweetened with bananas. So what do you think, hun?
It's like a mousse.
Like a moose.
Like,
Like a moose, he says. Like a moose.
it's so funny.
Okay, we'll see you guys. Okay, we'll see you guys at dinner time then, and we will finish our ice cream. Like a moose. I almost forgot to show our vitamins. I was just about to take our vitamins after lunch, and
And this is my vitamin.
yeah, this one's Jasper's vitamin. So we buy these Herbaland gummies. Yeah, maybe Dad can open that one for you.
They're local.
Yeah, they're a local company, Herbaland, here in BC in Canada. So we take the multivitamin, and then Arvin and I also take the vegan vitamin D3 and B12. And we love gummy vitamins. It gets us to take our vitamins. We're like, they're just like these little gummies. They taste really good. I love them. And yeah, I take them after lunch and with dinner as well. And that's our gummies. Two at lunch, 2 at dinner. This afternoon we kind of had a really long afternoon nap, so now it's like after 8 o'clock and we're kind of having dinner late tonight. But I decided I'm going to make some bean like meatballs, and they will be delicious. This is kind of like the flaxseed egg and everything blended up, and I'm just waiting on over here in the Instant Pot. I put some more beans. We use this Instant Pot a lot for cooking. Like, we make a lot of beans. So yeah, I've got some mixed beans in the Instant Pot, and when they're done in 22 minutes, then we'll mix it all together, and they will go in the oven for 10 or 15 minutes, and then we'll be able to serve it up. I'm thinking I'll make maybe a tomato sauce with it. What do you think, guys? What do you guys want?
Anyone else send me a red sauce?
Jasper's just gonna eat ice, I guess.
No, I'm going to eat ice water.
Oh, ice water. Sorry.
I'm trying to feed the
I
animals,
need
bud.
help. No. I want 4.
Maybe.
I want fly.
Maybe use a please. Please.
There, you can pick these out yourself now.
Don't drag your butt. I guess we'll finish making these. Again, the recipe is up on the blog if you want to try this one out. But it's just we make a lot of these. We've done like lentil meatballs, and these ones just have like oats and some of the mixed grains that we made. And all of these ingredients here. So if you're interested, yeah, I'll leave the link below. But yeah, I will show you what the finished product looks like in a little bit.
Welcome to Dad and Jessica Again.
And we're making pasta.
Pasta.
Yep, sourdough pasta noodles.
At 9 o'clock at night because we had a nap this
See what the
afternoon.
time is?
But
See what the time is?
You want me to show them the time? It's actually later than 9 o'clock. It is
oh, is it later?
10:35.
Oh no.
This whole pasta and meatball. This whole pasta and meatball thing has
Turned into. Well, I mean, we had a nap. That's why. It's because we had a nap. But we're gonna have delicious pasta, and you can open the oven and show them cooking again.
And I'm playing with the dough. Okay.
This is our meatballs. It's been flipped once. I guess it's wrong to call them meatballs. They're lentil balls. They look all right. I think it's another 5 minutes in there. So, is there anything else you guys want to say about our dinner?
I don't know. We're pretty much just making. We're pretty much just making the rest of these noodles.
And it's white.
And then we're gonna eat, right? Yeah. And then we're gonna eat.
And we're going print right behind us.
Okay. Well, see you guys in a few minutes when we plate everything and show you what we got.
So you're gonna have to tell me how it tastes, bud. That is a lie. You love it.
Is it gonna flip right side up soon?
When is it going? Ah!
But it was
A thumbs down. Oh my goodness. What do you think, hon?
I haven't eaten yet. I was waiting for you. I'm not gonna try it until I'm ready.
Try it.
I am gonna move the meatballs off to the side so I could attack the noodles. Attack? I don't know.
Maybe I need more cheese.
What?
Maybe I need
Get a
more
bite.
cheese.
How does it taste?
Maybe I need more cheese.
It's pretty good. Like, the sauce is good. The noodles are
Cheese.
fine.
Maybe I need more cheese.
You know,
Noodles are fine.
they're fine. It looks soggy-ish. I wonder if we overcooked it.
I might have overcooked the noodles. Oops. But it's good for like 10 o'clock at night. So I think we did pretty good.
That's pretty yummy. I like the sauce. The sauce rescues everything, to be honest. So
Yeah, I think so.
I know I need hot sauce on my lentil balls, so just a dab.
Okay, I'm gonna start eating now too. Yeah, I'm gonna eat some dinner, and then we'll talk to you after dinner, and we'll let you know how it went.
An outro shouldn't be this hard.
I think we're tired now. We have been filming all day, and I think the nap. Honestly, I'm actually tired, and I'm ready for bed now.
The nap did not help.
It didn't help today.
No, it helped for like an hour.
For like an hour, maybe.
And then it went back to being like, I'm tired. Let's get dinner done and go to bed.
I know. Okay, so I guess we'll end the video here. I hope that you got some ideas on some plant-based recipes that you can try. And again, we linked everything down below. So if you want to try any of the recipes that we did today, then they'll be there. We hope you guys liked today's video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.